How to find your Bybit wallet address. Hi guys, let's get started immediately. Now the first thing you want to do is to be on your Bybit account. Now head over to the bottom of your screen and click on assets. Now head over to where you see deposit and tap on it. Now for you to want a wallet address, you must want to deposit. Now you want to head over to the bottom of the screen and click on deposit crypto. And when you get over to this section, you have to choose the correct cryptocurrency you want to deposit in, or you risk losing your money. Now go through the list, and when you find the cryptocurrency you want to tap on it, I'll be using BTC today. I'm going to be tapping on BTC again. And guys, currently on the screen you can see your wallet address. Now this is exactly how to find your Byte wallet address. And if you found this video helpful, you want to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to this YouTube channel for more useful tutorials like this. Now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.